Here is another video on observation and analysis. This video is going to use as an example something that another student observed and analyzed last semester, which is this image, which my student found online and thought was funny, so they observed and analyzed it for assignment 4. So let's pause for a minute, think about what kind of observations you can make for this image, and then we will move on. Here are some observations that I make. This is obviously not a complete list, but I see that we're using the image of My Little Pony. I might go on to observe that My Little Pony is a toy and game and I believe television series. It's a general brand that is for kids mainly. This image uses bright imagery, it's cartoony, again reinforcing that idea that it's for kids, has a rainbow, but the pony has been changed from happy to sad, and the text has been altered. Instead of My Little Pony, it says My Little Panic Attack. So how can we analyze these things? Well, the combination of panic attack, the idea of the panic attack, and the bright rainbow imagery is surprising and ironic. The combination of My Little and panic attack is surprising and ironic. If you've ever experienced a panic attack, you know that those two phrases don't belong together. My Little Pony is aimed mostly at kids, and panic attacks, hopefully, are not for kids, not something that kids have to deal with, although some kids do get them. There's other analysis we could make here. We could say that the pony changing from happy to sad is surprising but appropriate here. The way that they've made this cute image, the cartoon image, to talk about something surprising, or sorry, talk about something serious, is also ironic. So let's try to do a little further analysis and talk about how this relates to humor. Contemporary humor, we might say, relies on shock and irony, or some does at any rate. Another aspect of humor, contemporary humor, although dark humor has been around for a very long time, it can rely on making light of things that are otherwise very terrible and serious. And if we wanted to keep going, we might say that humans rely on humor in dark and trying times to try to make something that is awful seem a little less terrible. While they're laughing at it, they feel a little better, for instance. So that might be why this is funny. Some of this is why my student found it funny. So here's an example of just the kind of work you might be doing in preparation for assignment 4, which you can find on Blackboard.